Hi class, now that you have completed your diversity collage, it is time to write your reflection. As a reminder to review the writing guidelines and the rubric prior to completing this assignment. This assignment gives you an opportunity to reflect on your upbringing, your social values, your family values, to really understand your thoughts and your definition of diversity. Please answer 6 of the following questions thoroughly and cohesively. Question 1. How do you define culture? Your definition may be based on your personal experience, your family influences, your education, your beliefs, your values, really looking at your social circle and how those values influence the way that you define culture. Number 2, what is your ethnicity, your nationality, your family historical background? Talk a little bit about your family background, whether your families are immigrants, your family has a military background, the number of siblings in your family size, your birth order, and how diversity issues were discussed in your family, if they were discussed at all. Describe any personal experiences with the ism, such as racism, classism, sexism, etc. Take the time to really dive deep into this part of the reflection. Number 3, what are your family and your personal values pertaining to education, religion, health, happiness, any other values that you deem important? Provide example of your values by stating, I was told that I went to church every Sunday, every week, every month. My parents really emphasize this. And again, these are just suggestions. You do not have to address all of these components, but these are starting points for you to think about these questions. Number 4, what are your greatest accomplishments and why? Are they your greatest accomplishment and important to you, to your family, to others? What did you learn about yourself, your family from this accomplishment or these accomplishments? What is your hobby or what you like to do in your spare time? When did you start doing this activity? Why do you like it? Does it bring you joy? Does it bring you peace? Is it calming? Does it excite you? Etc. What are your career goals? What is your dream job? Does it different from your family career tradition? Are your family and friends supportive of your dream job or your career goals? Does your family have a strong influence on your choice of a career or a career path? How does it make you feel that they are too involved or not involved at all? Is it something that you want to do or has been embedded in you since you can remember? Recall if you were told, I think you're really good at this skill, you should become this professional, etc. Again, please take the time to answer the 6 questions honestly and thoroughly and format your paper so that it is cohesive and fully express your thoughts.